Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is actually something very special. I'm actually very excited. Please excuse my busted lip. I have very chapped lips right now and it is no good. So today's actually a very special day. I'm very excited, and that is because we're going to go look at this new car. Well, it's not very new, it's pretty used, it's pretty beat up, but it's very cheap, and I think you already know why we're picking it up. So my friend Leela and her dad obviously works for a body shop, but y'all didn't know that. But yeah, he works for a body shop here in Dallas, and apparently he and her got the hookup of possibly getting us a car for very cheap. It's going to be a demo car, of course. But it's actually very going to be exciting because I'm not 100% what it is yet. I know it's an 03 of something. What's exciting about it is that it's a 5-speed manual transmission, and yeah, I'm very digging that. Having a manual car for the demos is going to be, that's what I've always wanted to do. So yeah, hopefully it's something we're looking for, and I think it's going to be good. As long as it runs and drives, and a 5-speed manual, I think it's going to be a keeper. So I'm really excited. We're gonna go meet her there, and we're gonna see what we got. So I'll see you guys then.
Huh? Okay.
Oh man.
The only thing that's missing is the radio?
Yeah. Oh, that's perfect.
And the battery.
And the battery?
Yeah.
Oh, needs battery replaced. 3-liter V6. Nice.
It's a manual.
Even better.
Yep.
What is this? What is this again?
You want to hear the engine?
You want to hear the engine?
Yeah, so as long as it runs and drives.
Let me just put jumper in
There's a paint shop over
There's a Volkswagen over here.
there. Yeah. There's a Mustang over there.
We got a Camry. We got a Mustang.
You got some rod on
Yeah, look how nice it is, man. It's a nice door it has.
that.
We got some Fords in the back too. Got a Dodge Ram, got an Explorer. Man, you got all kinds of stuff over here. So you want to explain what this place is? It's a body shop, right?
Yeah. Yep. It's my dad's body shop.
So cool. Yeah, doing exhaust away is gonna sound great. Oh yeah, that definitely would do. Any problems with it? Besides the battery?
Yeah, the battery, I think. And I mean, it's running, driving before. One of my guys driving, and then they'll switch for another car, so that's probably gonna be.
Hit up Jeff and tell him, hey, got another car coming away. I mean, everything runs is good. Oh yeah, that's the best part about this, it's a manual. Oh yeah, she'll do. No radio? That's fine. Don't need a radio. Probably rip the dash out real quick, you know what I'm saying?
You're gonna have to take out the airbags.
Yep, take out the airbags, possibly the seats for weight reduction. We're keeping the panels this time.
Yeah, 86,000 miles.
That's the
Really?
original mileage.
Only 86,000. Alright. So, I think we found our next demo car. So, we're gonna pick it up next week. What's today's date?
14.
14? So we have what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks to go?
We have 4 weeks.
4 weeks to go. We have 4 weeks to go before Cleetus and cars, and I think we found our car. The Dodge, I don't know what you call these, Sonomas, Dodge Sonoma or something like that. I have no idea what you call them. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next video.